Okay, today we have a 2011 Ford F-150. Lock switch has been not responding. Normally I have to hit unlock and lock at least like 3 times for it to unlock the back door. So I ordered me a part off of eBay. It just came. I think I paid like, I want to say just a couple dollars, maybe $8 for the replacement part. So this is the replacement lock. Let me see, do we have a part number or anything? No, we don't, but I'll include the part number at the bottom of the video and where I got it from and how much. So this shouldn't be too hard. So first we're gonna go ahead and start with getting this piece up. Flathead. Normally I have like body part tools that I can easily use. I was searching for, I couldn't find it, so let's try this, see how easy this is. Here we go. So this is the part that we're changing right here. So we're gonna unclip this. I'm gonna go ahead and clip them all so I can just have it apart, and then I'll put it back when I'm done. But you press the tabs and they should just pop right up. Hold on 1 second. So we got it off, we're gonna set it there. And this is the part that we're trying to get off right here. So let's see how we do this. Alright, let's see. So to push down on the lock and put a flathead or something right between here. And I guess the back part too as well. Feels like it's coming through. Yeah, I see what I'm doing. So this part right here, you can see it's not unhooked from there. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it back a little. I don't want to break it because I don't want to have to replace this whole thing. But let's see. Pull back a little and twist forward. And on the other side, do the same thing. Okay, so I did bend it up a little. Try to squeeze that back. This is the old one. Let's compare it with the new one. It's exactly the same. So now install. Just snaps right back in, and like I said, this is the old one, this is the new one, looks exactly the same. But what I want to do is I want to try to see if test it before I, oh, look at that, sounds stronger. I guess the switch went out. So quick and simple. Reconnect everything back and snap it back down. There you have it. Switch replaced, less than 5 minutes. And that's the door that had the problem. It wouldn't unlock. But you see it's going up and down. Problem solved.